How to kiss a guy well for the first time and turn him on. Kissing a guy is instinctive, but it takes these 10 sexy tips on how to kiss a guy for the first time to make it memorable and turn him on at the same time. Remember the first time you kissed a guy? No doubt you had a hard time trying to work out in your head the right way to do it. But as soon as you approached that inevitable moment, you realised that it's as natural, easy and simple as breathing. All you need to do is take things slow and easy and wait for both your lips to start moving against each other's until they reach the perfect synchrony. As complicated as it may seem at first, it's just as easy once you lock your lips. How to kiss a guy for the first time. When you have to kiss a guy for the first time, the first few seconds is always tricky. You may have kissed a lot of guys, but you've never really kissed this guy before. Both of you have your own kissing styles and approaches, and it's easy to turn a perfect opportunity into a confusion of sorts. Tips to kiss a guy and turn him on. If you want to kiss a guy, turn him on, and part your lips from his with a memorable impression after the kiss, just use these 10 tips on how to kiss a guy to do just that. Number 1. Come close to him. Yes, this is easy. All you need to do is come close. Don't crane your neck out to kiss him from a distance. It's not comfortable, and you really can't enjoy a perfect kiss. The closer you are to him, the more both of you will enjoy the kiss, and the more the chances are of you getting to arouse him discreetly. Number 2. Let him take the lead. Kiss him, but let the guy take the lead. Unless you're dating a first-time kisser, touch your lips to his softly and wait while he applies some pressure on your lips with his. Don't purse your lips or pucker up. It'll stiffen your lips, which will make him feel like he's kissing a wall. Keep your lips soft and slightly parted. It'll feel softer, delicate, and easily accessible. Number 3. Keep it short, silly. The first kiss is the icebreaker, but it's never more than that unless both of you are horny or extremely turned on. If it's a romantic moment, where there's lots of love or infatuation in the air, take it slow. If you want to create a memorable kiss, the first kiss should preferably be a small soft graze of both your lips that lasts for a second or two. Part your lips after this first kiss, look into his eyes, and follow this first little kiss with a few more soft kisses. Number 4. Each kissing style is unique. Don't force the kiss or jump right into it, even if you're worried that the kiss won't last long. It might turn out to be a bad experience. Instead, take it slow and learn from each other. As both of you softly kiss each other a few times, both of you can slowly see how either of you move while kissing and follow each other's cues to create a perfect new kissing style. Number 5. Part your lips. After a few soft grazes of your lips with his, linger your lips on his for a few more seconds each time. And, along the way, part your upper and lower lips just a bit so you let him know it's alright to use a bit of tongue when he's ready. Number 6. Placing your hands. When you start kissing him, slowly move your hand and place it on the side of his shoulder or just under his arm. It's an intimate move that'll bring both of you closer. And by doing this, you're getting closer and letting him know that it's alright for him to touch you back. By placing your hand on his shoulder or under his arm, you'll give him enough space to comfortably move his hands against your face while kissing you, Number 7. Gentle body contact. Body contact between both of you can be really sexy and intimate at the same time. And the best part is that you'd be able to turn him on without ever making it seem like you're easy to get. As you kiss him, move closer and slide your hand to his back. Come close to him and he'll instinctively come closer to you. If you've planned this move right, his chest would be perfectly positioned to graze your chest every time both of you move while kissing each other. And this will be something he'll always remember as part of his first kiss experience with you. Number 8. Move your face. As you kiss him, lift your chin up and turn sideways slightly so he can instinctively kiss your chin and neck. This move is always more intimate than a plain kiss on the lips with no other moves. It'll turn him on a lot more too, just like it'll turn you on and have you gasping in seconds. Number 9. Spend a while kissing. A first kiss isn't really just one first kiss. It's a series of several kisses that help both of you understand each other's kissing styles and increase the intimacy. If you want to have a perfect kiss with the guy you like, spend several minutes kissing each other for the first time, and somewhere along the way, both of you would feel more connected and in tune with each other's moves. A kiss that doesn't feel right will always leave you in doubt about whether the chemistry's missing. Instead of worrying about it, just take it slow and easy and learn along the way. Number 10. Move your hands. Enjoy the kisses, but don't stop there. If you want to know how to kiss a guy for the first time and leave him wanting more, you need to do more than just kiss him. Move your hands away from his back and gently move them along the contours of his shoulders and chest. It'll bring both of you closer and give him the confidence to do the same to you. Enjoy the kiss and enjoy each other's sensual touches as both your hands move along each other's bodies for the first time. But if you're not ready for where his hands are leading him, especially if he's inching closer to your breasts or your zipper, clasp his hand gently and move them to a place on your body where you're comfortable with him touching. He'll get the point and wait for your approval the next time. Things to remember while kissing a guy for the first time. Seated kisses are best if you plan to spend a while kissing and making out, especially if you're in the car. It's more comfortable, relaxed, and you don't need to worry about weak knees after a while. Kissing a guy while standing face to face is perfect for romantic soft kisses, especially the first goodnight kisses after a date. Kissing while standing can be uncomfortable at times, especially if you want his hands to get under your shirt. He'll have to lift your shirt all the way up, which is definitely inappropriate for a sweet first date. You don't need to talk at all through the entire kissing experience. Your expressions will do all the talking. If you know you're going to end the date with a kiss, chew gum or have a mint so you can avoid bad breath. If there's no gum around, have a few sips of water and lick your lips. It'll moisten them and they'll feel more supple during the kiss. Go with the flow. Once you have a vague idea of how to perfect a first kiss with a new guy, you'll never go wrong. So start slowly with a few lip grazes and work your way with each other from there. End the series of first kisses with a warm, soft hug, or even a gentle smile, and a last soft kiss on his lips. It'll be the perfect way to end the date and leave a lasting impression on him too. Make a move one last time. Making a move to kiss him one final time before saying goodbye after both of you back away lets him know that you enjoyed his kiss and would love to initiate it again some other time. And that's all there is to know when it comes to kissing a guy and leaving a memorable impression. Just use these tips on how to kiss a guy for the first time, and you'll enjoy it more and definitely leave him wanting more. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video and let me know what you would like to see next, and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.